Why do schools make bad decisions when buying products? EDST 220 Sustainability Group by Kyung Ho Bae and Diana Dela Cruz. You may not realize it, but in today's society, many schools want to buy Apple, Microsoft, and Google technological tools rather than other inexpensive, equally efficient companies' products, which leads them to not having enough funds for buying the right amount of products from these major companies. For example, according to the New York Times research, Apple devices lose luster in American classrooms. Schools in the U.S. spend $2.8 billion on Apple devices, $1.9 billion on Chrome devices, and $2.5 billion on Windows devices, out of the $7.35 billion used for the electronic devices in 2016. When we subtract the amount of consumption on major companies from the total amount, schools spend only $0.15 billion on other companies. So why do schools make bad decisions when buying products? In the article Why Schools Make Bad Buying Decisions, since members of schools have a lack of information on digital devices, they cannot buy them smartly, so it leads them into making poor buying decisions. For example, in Tom's school they have computer lab class once a week, due to not having enough computers for the classroom. So why don't these schools have enough computers? Well, in Tom's school, they just have 2 computer carts for the entire school, and those computers are all Mac computers. Those products are too expensive, so they cannot buy enough computers for all of the students, which then leads to disrupting the sustainability in the school. The question then becomes, is there a solution for this? Yes, there is. If schools hire experts, they can save for school funding. According to Why Schools Make Bad Buying Decisions, since experts have a lot of information due to their field experience, they can advise schools on critical purchasing decisions. The counter-argument to this claim is that if schools hire an expert, they will spend more money on hiring that expert and will waste their own funding money. However, those experts can lead a computer lab class as a teacher or technician, so schools could better delegate the use of their funding. Since EdTech is important to students, sustainability is one of the most important factors in an educational setting. If schools had enough money to buy brand new devices, that would be the best way to keep sustainability in education. However, school funding and government subsidies have a limitation. Schools need to find a way to keep sustainability for all students. I believe if schools hire experts, they can save more money from their fundings and use those extra funds for developing other educational fields. Thank you for watching!